Hi there, students. Catchment. A catchment area. A catchment basin. Okay, catchment or a catchment area is the area of land which, when it rains on it, all of that water flows into a lake or a river or even a reservoir for our drinking water. So there was a lot of rainfall in the Thames Valley, which is the catchment area for the River Thames. Okay, so this word a catchment, this is any structure or a feature of land which catches and holds water. Yeah, this is for the collection of water for people to use. Yeah, a catchment area, catchment basin. Yeah, so some sort of structure used for collecting or to drain water into a certain place. Also, the catchment could be the amount of water that is stored in that place. Okay, so that's the basic literal meaning. But we nowadays use catchment area, okay, to talk about the area served by a specific school. So if you live within this certain catchment area, then your children will go to this school. They wanted their daughter to go to this school, but unfortunately they were not in the catchment area. The school has a very small catchment area because it doesn't have many places. You could also use this catchment area to talk about the area served by a hospital or a medical centre. Yeah? So if you're in the catchment area, then this is where you should go. In the inner cities, the catchment areas for the medical centres hold many, many hundreds of thousands of people. Okay, so a catchment area. You could use it to talk about the area around a business and the customers that come. Yeah, so the catchment area for the local corner shop, the customers. The catchment area for a school or for a university. Yeah, the catchment area for something. Very often in the UK, people move into a certain district or a certain address so that they have they're within the catchment area for a good school. Yeah, okay, so the catchment area, the people that are served within the area or within an area. Yeah, so from the idea of the area that catches water and the water all drains into it, well, the same with a school or a shop or a business or a hospital or a medical centre or something like that. Okay, so catchment's to do just with the collecting of rain, but the catchment area, yeah, the people who are eligible because of where they live to use a service in a specific place. Let's see, catchment area. How formal is this? I think I would give this a 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. I think catchment on its own, talking about water, I think I'd give it a 6.5 in formality. But a catchment area for a school, for a hospital, for a shop, I'd give it a 5.5. It's a little bit on the formal business side, but you can use it any way you want. And then the origin, well, catch, yeah? As the rain falls, you catch the rainfall. And that's the idea, okay? So, well, The catchment area for internet nowadays is worldwide. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Catchment area, even catchment basin.